of the screen.
This is TV1 and TV2.
No, this is screen and this is volume.
Oh, volume, okay, screen. Okay, that's TV. Let me go back. Channel 6, Channel 8, Channel 1. Okay, we need to figure out desperately how to tune this, but we'll figure that out later. Okay, do it for our viewers back home. Okay, press the brake and tip this. That's reverse. That's neutral. And this is first gear, and that's manual mode. So when you switch to the left, it goes to manual mode. Switch to the left again, it goes to automatic mode. So this is manual mode.